Hello everyone, welcome to Select Star. Today I am back with an interesting SQL question. We have been provided a table that has some values and a lot of null values. We are required to replace the null values with the last non-null value. If you look at the table, the first value is table and after that we have two nulls. We are required to fill those places with table. Same for chairs and then for sofa. I would suggest you folks to try this question yourself and then come back to check my solution. In this type of question, we are required to create groups of rows. If somehow you are able to create a group of first 3 rows, that is table and next 2 rows, and then another group for chair and its next row, and then the last group for sofa and all remaining rows, our work would become easy. But before creating a group, let's create a primary key for the table. Why we need a primary key, I will explain this later. We will use row number for creating this primary key. We have created a primary key. Let's make it a CTE. Now for creating the groups that we discussed earlier, we will use a running sum. Inside sum function, we will add 1 whenever the value in product table is non-null. That is, wherever we have values like table, chair and sofa, we will add 1. And when the value is null, we will add 0. Since we want a running sum, we will use an over clause, and inside over clause we will order by rnum, that is the primary key that we have created. If we don't give an order by clause over here, we will get same value for the full table, and this is why we needed a primary key for this table. We have got the result and you can see that we have got 3 groups 1, 2 and 3. One for table and 2 nulls below it, second group for chair and null below it, and the third group for sofa and all the rows below it. Let's make it a CTE and then move to final part. If we talk about group 1, we have table in first row and we are required to bring table in second and third row. One way to do it will be through self join. We have created a self join on the condition that group of first table is equal to group of second table. Now as per the condition, it should give me 9 results for group 1. The first row from C1 will match 3 times with rows from C2, hence that row will repeat 3 times. The remaining 2 rows with null will also match 3 times, but we don't need them, so we will filter them out. You can see the result for group 1. Note that we needed table only 3 times, hence we'll remove nulls. Let's take out the group filter and select only first column for the required result. We have got the result. One other thing we can do here is to include this condition of product not null in joining condition itself. This will be all for today. If you have any question or feedback, do post them in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Signing off now.